In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate objects in FlipaClip. Okay, so this is going to be a step-by-step breakdown. So whether you are using your smartphone or your laptop, you can follow along easily. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more animation tutorials every week. Okay, so I'm going to click on that plus icon, then I'm going to name my project. So I'll name it how to rotate objects in FlipaClip. Okay, so I'm going to add my background. So I will click on this icon over there to add a background. I've already designed the background for this project, so I will import it. Then click on your canvas size, set it to 1080p. Okay, then click on create project. So let's start immediately. So I'm going to import my characters. So I will click on that three dots over there to add my character's image. So there won't be any need for us to draw any character because I've already designed the character we are going to use for this tutorial. Okay, so before I bring my characters and background into FlipaClip for animation, I actually use a special app to design all my characters and background very easily. So if you want to learn how to use the same app to create any type of character or background for your own animation, I already have a full detailed tutorial video explaining it, and it is available on my Telegram channel. So make sure you click the link in the description of this video to join and to get access to that video. So I'm going to start with the animation of the object. So first of all, I will add my characters moving his hand up and down. Understand? So that is the first thing. So you need to apply a hand movement to your character. You see the way I apply, you see that this is the first pose because I'm doing frame by frame on this phone, but on laptop is going to be boning. So I did the first frame, the hand was up, then the second frame, the hand was down. So in the first frame, you are going to add your character's hand movement easily. Okay, so I'm going to add the third image, and I'm also going to move the character, like move the character up and down. So that is how the first step you need to take. Okay, now if you want to learn how to create cartoon animation from scratch, if you want me to teach you the full process step by step, I already have a special animation class where I teach you everything you need to know to start creating your own cartoon videos, whether you are using a phone or a laptop. To join the class, just click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel, and from there you will contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, so moving on with the tutorial, I'm going to add the next image. Okay, so like I told you, the hand should be moving up and down. So we are done with the first part. So the second part is for us to add the object. So click on that layer panel, then click on that plus button there, then you're going to add the second object. Okay, you're going to add that second object that we are going to animate. Okay, so I've already added the layer, then I will now add the image. I've already designed the image also. So you see that this animation is going to be very easy for us because we have already designed everything we'll be using. So I want to explain something for you. Each time you are doing object rotation, just know that every object that is rotating follows an arc, or you can call it an orbit. So once you design your object, make it to rotate in an arc. So as the object rotates, then you are going to achieve a smooth animation. So we are going to rotate this object by changing the position to make it to rotate in a circular form. So a quick reminder, if you are enjoying this tutorial, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a like. I share fresh animation tips every week, so you don't want to miss out on them. So keep on adding that your object, but make it to rotate, make it to follow through an arc, through an orbit. That is the way you can easily achieve it. So I'm done adding it. So at this point, I'm going to show you what I've already achieved. So but before I do that, I'm going to export this video. So I'll click on make movie. So everything is looking okay. I'm going to click on make movie in order to export this video. So I'm done exporting it now, so I can now play it and also share it on my social media platform. So let's play the video. Guys, you see You see that animation is very easy. Now our character can easily rotate the object in his hand. Okay, so that is how you do the animation. I hope you find this video helpful, so you can now start creating your own animation. Remember, if you want to take your animation skills to the next level, join my animation class by clicking the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel and then contact me from there. Okay, and don't forget, if you want to learn how to design characters and background, also join my Telegram channel. The tutorial videos are there. Alright guys, subscribe to this channel and like this video, because I'm bringing you new animation tutorial every week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.